today we are playing games, but I'm not offline. I'm actually online. I'm just playing this because for fun reasons. Hmm. Hmm. Geometry is that Roblox? Wait, Geom. I'm playing what? Uh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh, one, 5. I'm no math. I'm not. I know math. I'm not. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. I'm literally in grade 4. Where's 4? I'm in grade 4. What? See, I'm in grade 4. 1 plus 7. Wait. Uh, wait. Don't think I'm not thinking. What? Where's a? Eh? I'm not. Okay. Actually, maybe don't know this one. I'm just gonna copy it to that. It's 9. No, not 7. No! What happened? What happened? What happened? Now I'm 5 minutes. 8 plus 2, what is 10? Oh, 9, what? 3, 4, 14. Don't judge me. Don't judge me in the comments. I am watching the comments. Don't talk trash about me. Don't even judge me in the comments. It's serious.